Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some bacon wrapped chicken skewers on these giant kebabs. We're using chicken tenderloin on a Char griller 980. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So these chicken skewers, you're gonna get on to your skewer, obviously. Whatever chicken you're using, hit it up with your favorite rub. I'm using Uncle Steve's sweet and spicy R. And then we're gonna wrap it in bacon, and then we're gonna hit it with another rub. Use whatever you like. I'm using Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. Oh hell yeah. So we got these chicken skewers ready to roll. Oh hell yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your chicken tenderloin, breast, thighs, whatever chicken you're using, pop them on your giant kebabs, and then hit it up with a little bit of your favorite rub. Then we're gonna pop these guys on the Char griller for about, 20-30 minutes to get that chicken cooked thoroughly and the bacon crispy. Oh hell yeah, we want that mahogany color on that bacon and a nice little crisp to it. So when you take a bite, oh hell yeah. So on the Char griller, we're using Royal Oak lump, and we're cooking at 350. Oh hell yeah, check this out.
Give me a hell yeah!
Oh yeah, smells delicious up in here. About 15 more minutes. It's only been on about 10. So you're looking at about 25-30 minute cook. Oh hell yeah. And we chucked in some cherry wood chunks to get a little smoke on that. Check the temps on the chicken with probe. Hit at least 160. So setting, it's gonna carry over a little bit, so you'll be all right. 165 for all you to the number freaks. Just like that, these bacon wrapped chicken skewers are done.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Hell yeah. Now it's the beginning of August, and it is hot as all hell out here. Holy. Check it out. Oh. The smell up in here. Oh hell yeah. Well, that's the way to do it. Oh hell yeah. It is hot. Hot up in here. Damn. Well, I guess we gotta get a picture, right? These smell delicious. Oh hell yeah. Go make yourself some. Easy to do. Super simple. All right, it's time to get a taste test. Oh hell yeah. Looks just like a jalapeno popper. Hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah! I said give me a hell yeah!
Damn straight. Easy to do. Easy, moist, delicious. Oh hell yeah. Hit that with your favorite barbecue sauce. Oh hell yeah. Cheers folks. Catch you on the next one. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing a bacon skewers. Oh, what Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up chicken wrapped. Yeah, that's because I ain't drank enough. Nope. Yeah, we're going to get a new one of those. And then hit it up with a little bit of your favorite rub. What the is this? Jesus Christ. Yeah. God damn it.